you start releasing it, it just
Wait a minute. I had to put back on the live. Yeah, hear what I'm saying to you, yeah. I had to put back on the live. Big up Ragazulu in the ass, yeah?
Trust me.
Big up DP, Clint Walker in the ass. Big up Chase in the ass. Big up Stamina Lee in the ass. Yeah. Big up.
Internationally.
No.
True artists. Alright. We got a little freestyle thing going on. Yeah. I made a mad beat the other day. Yeah. And the people them is liking the beat. So I'm gonna play the beat and the man them are gonna freestyle and mash up the beat. We're gonna start with Chase. We're gonna go in Ragazulu. Yeah. Stamina Lee, you guys put a little something in there? Yeah? Alright, we're just gonna make the beat run and how it done. Yeah? You lot are privileged to the story. This is privilege information here, yeah? Studio gone mad, yeah? Alright. Ragazulu.
Yo.
DP Clint Walker. Chase. And the man like Stamina Lee, yeah? Hey, what's going on? This is the mad beat, yeah? Mad beat freestyle. Watch it.
But you might let me freeze, bro. I don't know what's going on here.
Alright. Chase, you first. Chase up first. Number one, we got Chase.
Yo.
Yeah?
You put me in the deep end, bro.
Yo, what did?
See, you're better than me, you think that. You can bring your sound, I'ma bring my sound. I'ma burn this down and flip that. Everybody's getting louder, you know it's going down. I'm the opposite of Big Shaq. In the booth too hot when I drop these tracks. Didn't wanna know where we was in the trap. Where we had to run man out of the. Shouts out to the foundation. This is new creation, keep them all raving. You can call me a star in the making. But I come from the hood, gets blatant. But for my little man, yeah, I'm changing. Give them a better life, better my creation. Why they wanna see me fuck up probation.
Flip bagger. What? US?
The return of Rastafari, with the return of Rastafari, last and two that they can't why can't I'm the return of Rastafari, he's the return of Rastafari, and with the return of Rastafari, like it to live, don't let it pass by. So let's see how lives, show that to the youngers and the kids, whether you're rich or underprivileged, give it tantalizes, backbiters and the fighters, in the meantime we keep it righteous and show faith in the face of crisis.
Yeah, you can't disrespect the black man, you can't disrespect Rasta man, you can't respect Caribbean, you can't disrespect Rasta man, you can't disrespect the black man, you can't disrespect the African, you can't stop and at the troublemaker, them a play the faker, never respect Rasta, give them stop and at the makers of you can't disrespect the Rasta, can't disrespect the gangster, can't disrespect the youngster, can't disrespect the elder, can't.
Free to be free, that's where I want to be. Free to be free, that's where I'm not used to what they doing to me. How could I be used when I am free?
Mad beat, boy. Yeah. This is a bad beat. Alright. Chase back in.
Listen. Ask about me, I do this. I'm the one that puts sauce and groove in. Get the whole crowd moving. I got vibes and ways to keep them all tuned in. They say I'm bringing it back. Tall flats, cats in the trap. Man, urge sound is all whack. All back, can't match, I swear they all whack. Hands up, we the best out. On the ground with the sound, I tell them to come test out. My time soon come round. And all these MCs vex, it's just when I come round. Know the vibe, I'm ready. Grab the mic, man, steady. Rude boy selector, I'm heavy. Check me, keep up, this can get techie.
Free to be free, that's where I want to be.
Yo,
I'm not used to the way they treating me. That's not the way for me. Free to be free, that's where I want to be. To be free, that's where I want to be.
Rex.
Hey, Rasta vision, can't bring pig in a Rasta kitchen. But when they get big, certain man starts switching. Can't listen to the serpent hissing. Burn on the wall and no partition. Get the blessing, but men are prison. Rastafari is the life I'm living. Rastafari is the life I'm living. Some of them turn to religion in prison. Come to the point, circumcision. Rastafari is the life I'm living. Emmanuel Marcus and them breast men in. Emmanuel Marcus and then breast
Penny.
is the life I'm living.
I've been down on my face, yeah, I've been through the phase and it feels like fucking hell. Nosy neighbours kept complaining, I think they might just snitch and tell. Overall, this shit get blatant. I'm the next one up, that's real. Hope that they don't test my patience. Can't correct if they talking deals. My calling, free on my mind in the morning. Gotta blow that surely, they bore me like they don't even know my story. In my lane like Tory, this real life, this ain't no battle Mori. Yeah, shit get gory, see touring, up late night to the morning. Had to walk this road alone. I came from a broken home, but you wouldn't know that feeling, no. Don't know what now for the system, just wanna see all my people ghost. Left me on my own, how many nights I was out in the cold. Yeah.
Unity, Rastaman say I need it. Unity, Rastaman say I need it. Again, unity, Rastaman say I need it. Time is now, build for the future, time is now. Say time is now, build for the future, time is now. Stop. Time is now, build for the future, time is now. So we say, unity, Rastaman say I need it. Unity,
Rastaman say I need it.
I say, stop.
Stamina Lee, Chase, Ragazulu, Clip Walker, yeah, DP, Mantic.
Oh yeah.
Walk one.
Big up
Hey,
people,
flip banner.
I
This is one of my beats, yeah?
Exactly, alright. I was just about to say, tell
Hey,
me.
flip. Yeah, this is one of my beats. I made it the other night. And yeah, since that the man them was saying it's the mad beat, yeah. I called it I don't know. That's what I called it, I don't know. Yeah. So I got a couple man in the studios come do their sessions and wrap up and thing. So man just done a little something. And then we got a couple man coming in for the next sessions, you get me? Rebel, best up from the US also. YG, big up yourself, yeah? Alright, hear what I'm saying? I'm gonna ban it again and let the man then mash it up some more. Yeah, but we're not gonna get stuck, yeah? Yeah. This beats the I don't know, yeah? Who's mashing it now? Who's mashing it? One, Jay.
All they want to try to do is carry me down. The more they try, the more they lose. Yes, that we are the one who's gonna claim the victory. Out of a mistake, of the Almighty. So trap yourself in the house of trap.
2 more draw to the zoo, I'm lively. 2 more draw to the zoo, I'm angry. 2 more draw when I'm talking Thai. We from Thailand till my eyes are tiny. 2 more draw to the zoo, I'm lively. 2 more draw to the zoo, I'm angry. 2 more draw when I'm talking Thai. We from Thailand till my eyes are tiny. 2 more draw to the zoo, I'm super. Bust my third eye wide open. Then I look back to the future.
You're in the house of trap. Trap it and trap the lock. But we will recover. Yes, my brothers and sisters. And free ourselves. Cause Jah never failed I yet. Almighty never failed I yet. Come on.
Well, go stamina, yeah, hide round the back there.
Alright, listen. Yo. We bring the vibes and melodies. I got the drive and energy. Yeah, top 3 artists I better be. I gotta do it for my son, got a better me. Get the decks out, might check now. And you can't compare, you wanna check sound. Man's bound for the reload, shut down. They just want me on free flow, lockdown. I get tricky on them. I had to flick it on them. I'm trying to hit it with finesse. I'm trying to make it out the ends. We bring the vibe, no doubt. Turn up, it's time to get loud. The reload, man's bound. I make an MC, goals go lost, not found. 1 time for the drop, yo. 2 times car really rough flows. From a place where they pop smoke, where man ride out for their block, yo. 1 time for my raving crew. 2 times for my dogs and goons. 1 set, let me strap this suit. Let me give them vibes, but you spin this tune. Rip the track, no problem, fuck out. Other MCs wish that I weren't out. Smoke MC, couldn't let him burn out. Hey, mad. Bad.
One last one for them. Hey, Rags. The return of Jar Messenger. See my natty long like Red Predator. Word to my mama, my aunt Jennifer. Original when there's no one similar. King in the land, I'm familiar. Time to return back, Abyssinia. Bond down Europe and America. Card is the return of Jar Messenger. The return of Jar Messenger. See my natty long like Black Predator. Word to my mama, my aunt Jennifer. Original when there's no one similar. Land unfamiliar, return back to Abyssinia. Bond down Europe and America. Card is the return of Jar Messenger. It's the return of Jah. Bun down here, then we run down far. Bun down the word to the black like tar. Black in the dash back to Africa. Libran, back to Capricorn. Bun them on, turn up a calm. Bless everyone in the eye of the storm. Neck can't lead on to Zabelon.
In the house of trap. In the house of trap. In the house of trap. Trap, 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 trap.
Stamina!
Trap, trap.
Stamina Lee. Stamina Lee.
Everything matter. No or never. See, everything matter. No or never. Alkebulana Fuaka. African we there. Alkebulana Fuaka. Oh yes we there. Say unity and I say unity. Say unity. Rastaman say unity. Say unity. Rastaman say unity. And we there are alchemy. The brothers and seminary. Well, I give thanks, you see. Yeah. Say unity, Rastaman say unity. Unity, Rastaman say unity. Unity,
Rastaman say unity. Unity, Rastaman say unity. Unity,
Rastaman say unity.
Cause it's well it's I, level is I, it's I, with I and I, yeah, it's I, levels I, blessed by the most I, but I and I there, I and I there,
Yo, still trying to say bread like Metro. Still in the booth, give me my check roll. She wanna hit me with words like retro. We can do it like Mabel or make notes. But this is for my raving crew. Pouring juice, still smoking Zeus. I know they're gonna take this route, but oh well, them man ain't in tune. I beg man, just take off the auto. Let me see if you can rap, have you got flow? One back for the chat, now you got loads. They can never bring it to me like Lord knows. I'm the underground's finest. They can't do it quite like this. Don't believe the hype, they ain't on piss. We got sauce and now watch it drip.
Jeez.
Drop the mic.
Alright. Sign it out, DP, sign it out.
In the house of trap.
Yeah, before you burn the place,
In the
House of trap.
Facebook Live, man.
House of trap.
wow, wow.
No. Alright. I'm gonna go back to the other beat. That beat is too evil. Yeah, that beat is too evil. So I'm gonna go back to the other beat. Yeah. Yo, everybody, wagwan. What you lot doing? I hope everybody's alright, cause Corona's safe and all of these things. We're in our bubble. The studio bubbling. We're in the studio bubbling. I hope you lot are bubbling too. Alright. So this is the other beat that I made the other day.
Here's one I made earlier.
And here's the one I made
Yeah,
earlier.
this is a blue Peter thing. Yeah, blue Peter. Here's one I made earlier. Yeah. Don't save. Alright, here we go, you lot. Alright. I don't want no double up bars, you lot. I want fresh bars. Yeah, we got audience.
Wait,
Yeah,
no double up bars,
we
mate.
got audience here.
Hold a minute, man. Hold a
Yeah.
minute. That's the margin, isn't it?
Alright, you lot. This is another beat I made the other day.
Because there's no rehearsals here, man. It's just like just pulling it out of the sky, like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Who tell them they should have tried this on me? I don't know if that would work.
You ain't got no time to about if it won't work or it won't work. You gotta put it in, mate. It's freestyle time. Alright, who's taking it first?
Cool, I got this.
Right, pull up.
Yeah, I got this.
Chase first.
Gang, aye, listen. Yeah. Alright. Listen. Real G's that turn up, we burn up, please don't concern us, no. You can call this a shutdown, get brought down when we come around, yeah, they wanna know. Yeah, the only way is up now. Really trying to live uptown. Fake brothers have to cut out. Smoke more, I won't cut down. I'm feeling like people don't get me. Yeah, I'm slim, but I'm cut like Jet Li. Might roll that loud, that sexy. Young fuck, yeah, she wanna be my bestie. Like free up, I'm roll that's easy. You don't want no handout freebies. I don't want no bitch that's needy. When I dig that, I get speedy. Call me ganja baby, man best rate me. Get paged like Jakey. Man get hasty in the chat with Stacy. Man don't phase me. I'm too sick for the scene, so what's for the talking? It's a warning, tell these rappers they boring. Soon be touring, catch me scoring. Heard them rap and I think it's appalling. I'm too sick for the scene, so what's for the talking? Like tell these rappers that, aye, yo. Aye.
Just stand for life, but still in a business, ganja for life, ganja for life, get the ganja for life, ganja for life, so the ganja for life, in my ganja pop for the ganja, with the man them tonight on the ganja for life, ganja music, not ganja for life, can I choose it, not ganja for life, don't abuse it, yeah, ganja for life, when we cruising, yeah, ganja for life, put the ganja aside, not ganja for life, ganja's my wife, yeah, ganja for life, and that's the standard for life, don't wanna understand this ganja for life, like John Mason, been on the same thing, repatriation, have to go on a farm a plantation, roots and fruit for the salvation. Worldwide lay the foundation for the teenagers and the D-blazers. Built this thing like a Freemason with the E and a D and a free basin on every platform and every station. Every people for every nation. Black, white, mixed race, all every day. Just occasion, no explanation. Just implication, just a sensation. Just amazing. From Genesis to Revelation. Yeah, build this, see the foundation. To the Babylon band me for life. Grown up now, got my family and wife, but still in a business. Ganja for life, ganja for life, ganja for life. So the ganja for life, in my ganja pipe, but the ganja for my ganja for life.
Yeah, Irie. If we Irie, what we say Irie. If we are Irie, the one that we say Irie. Yeah. If we Irie, the one that we say Irie. Yeah. If we Irie. The one that we say Irie, yeah. If we Irie, the one that we say Irie, yeah. Irie, Debo, Rago, Iron and Star, the brother, in Alchemy, yeah. Chase, Debo, Rago, the Ross, Iron and Star, in Alchemy, Irie, all of them, Irie. Up and out with Irie, down and south with Irie, family them Irie. Up in the east with Irie, all in the west Irie, the whole of we yes Irie, up and out with Irie, family down south Irie, up in the east Irie, the whole of we yes Irie,
they're not gonna like this boy, but it's real, innit? You get me? Yo, as a younger man, I always wanted more. I ain't never had respect for the law. Racist little pricks in black and white. Why the fuck they wanna kick off my door? They don't wanna see a young brother talk. They just wanna see me locked in the force. No gloves that have food in my paws. No love, I can't trust no From a young trying to flip bands, running with it at the bando. In the chat trying to link cats, more time I'm in black. Gotta watch out for these randals. Man selling that tic-tac, bro, got the kit back. Don't let him give on that handle. Now you wouldn't wanna.
Do not disturb me while I'm here burning my herb. Haven't you seen or haven't you heard what the sign says? Do not disturb. Hey, do not disturb us for we're burning my herb. Haven't you seen or haven't you heard what the sign says? Do not disturb.
Do not disturb.
I dis c'est quoi ça qu'a fait. Boum, ça qu'a fait. I dis c'est quoi ça qu'a fait. Ça qu'a fait. I dis c'est quoi ça qu'a fait. Boum, ça qu'a fait. I dis c'est quoi ça qu'a fait. Just come on the rhythm. Be natural, just come on the rhythm. A vibe come on the rhythm. Teacher, come on the rhythm. Yeah, natural come on the rhythm. A vibe come on the rhythm. Yeah, on the rhythm. Come on the rhythm, yeah. Come on the rhythm, come on the rhythm, yeah. Come on the rhythm, on the rhythm. Unite, come on the rhythm. Free flow, come on the rhythm. Unite, come on the rhythm. Free flow, come on the rhythm. Where you come from? Alchemy. Where you come from? Alchemy. You blessed by the Almighty.
The cookie's sweet before it crumbles. No man's an island, so even alone I don't grumble. Be careful how I walk, so you know I don't stumble. Talk is cheap, but I remain humble. 2 fists too quick, ready to rumble. Pepper sticks sick, ready to bung. If you hear clickety click, be ready to run. Don't floss, stay low, it's how I grew my youth. Truth is truth, I'm grown for the loot. Need a zoo, that box in the boot. Apple don't drop far from the tree is the truth. The youth's blank hate is filled with your truth. So know what you do, cause if you pay back you will lose. Right, say that.
And this music play. And this music play. Think a minute, play.
Alright people, that's it. The live's over. Maybe later when I'm making a beat, I'll bring you lot back in. Got champagne, Alright.
See the key, yeah? Does that have to stay in the thing?
Is the gate staying open? Yeah.
No, but I closed it though. I closed the actual gate in it, that's what I'm saying.
Right, we did close the gate.
That's what I said to Tia.
Hang on a minute. Let me see what else we got.
So, do you have any more in your collection right now? Some things
Listen, mate, yeah? I'm not giving you too much in one night, mate, yeah? I'm not giving you too much in one night.
There must be that one
How much
special
you really
one.
want?
Where
Yeah, we're going to go back to what you lot made earlier on, yeah? We'll listen to that, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
I won't argue with that.
This is what these lot made earlier on. Come on,
Come fast, better must do. And then you come here, come back over with sick on my soul. On the campus, student on this tree like the gospel. In the land for the light, sorry if I lost you. Low vibration, meditation, lustful. I cannot hold your brother, I can't even trust you. Too power hungry, got money and rules. And I got that and I feed you like a wild mongrel. Everybody city, village and the jungle. I forget somebody more than that it bungle. Tired of the gun thing and the drugs bundle. Got the renting off the local council. I tell them my ownership and serve it from the dark food. Living like a king inside a great castle. When the judgment land, I know it never partial. It's better must come, I'm gonna have to ask you.
Soldiers, 2 bikes and a whip, yo, the war is on. At 5:30 we rise, I'll prefer you drive. Alright, I'm gonna be the first to see you guys when it's on. First tactic, go down to catch tricks. Show off the blow off the chicks. Hold is on, blue light, blue and guns. The slow life, it don't feel nice, but it has to be done. When it's on, the blue. That's it, no, man. No, I'm definitely, you know. All of the warriors, them, you know. We shall we shall your thing, yo. Thing I swell, yeah.
I think that now.
No.
Ring, ting, Ellen.
Alright, we're gonna pull it up again. One more time, one more time. Yes, Sally, walk one.
Hey, let me show them.
Baby, walk one.
Let me show them real quickly. Look, Stamina League's already on it. He's got the lyric pad ready.
Yeah, my child thing.
See, I come in firing.
Come on now. Must be better. Come on now.
Better must come fast, better must do. And then they come up and I call up and set up my soul. They canvas through the honest truth like the gospel. And the land for the light, sorry if I lost you. Vibration, meditation, lustful. I cannot pull your brother up, I even trust you. Too power hungry, like money and rules. And I gather and I feed you like a wild mongrel. Everybody sitting religion and jungle. I for be somebody moving up to bundle. And the grunting and the drugs bundle. Renting off the local council.
Bless up, Jay. Bless up.
Living like a king inside a great castle. When the judgment land, you know it never partial. It's better must come, I'm gonna have to ask you.
No. Come on now. You better.
Come on.
Yeah. See those lights tonight, people. You get me? Before I just let you get a little insight. You get me?
You recording?
Man spitting out in the other room, you can't even hear you, can't even hear him on the man's in air spitting. What kind of thing is this?
That won't be spitting.
Come, Chase. No. You're in now. You're dropped.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me get the.
What's this? Right, come. No.
See, it was T.I. that was rapping the whole.
T.I., you need to come in here, blood. Come.
Big up on my brethren, them and big up my bro. Me make sure we are fit, we not deal with no snow. We are run till we are through all the road. So if them see them, them carry them jugs, we say no. Fire I go burn, but Rastafari now bow.
Mad thing.
Troublemaker, them a play the faker. Never respect Rasta, we did them stop. All of them make us of trouble. Here come the rumble, you dead in at the back and give them stop. All of the troublemaker, them a play the faker. Never respect Rasta, we did them stop. All of them make us of trouble. Here come the
Alright, cool, man.
Mad.
Yo, I'm sitting with these thoughts, but I don't feel remorse. I'm feeling like they done me dirty, so fuck what they thought. I'm grinding for a cause, this liquor's getting poured. I'm putting weed all on my wisdom, more time is the cause. I'm trying to see in courts, probation reports. When you're trying to make a difference, they want you to fall. But I'm different and I know that it's killing them all. I'm on my grind like it's football, I stay on the ball.
Mad. Studio's mad tonight, you know. Studio's mad tonight. No. Hook's gonna come in. Wait, hook.
I've got some tools around me, getting savages. I hit the roof, it's fire around me damaging. To tell the truth, I don't think they can handle this. I've got the juice, my energy, I'm channeling. And when I get into the roof, they gon' be trying to kill. And I ain't messing with you brothers, cause they arrogant. Man, check my flows, man's got swords. Man, keep my roll, don't pop no pills. I cannot do it, I need a mill, I need a mansion. That's up in the hills. Yeah, shit, yeah, real, yeah, we in the field. Yeah, you know the deal, yeah, you know the deal.
You know what this one says to me, Divo?
Come
I
in.
wonder if you're really ready. I'm going to tell it, you know, so make sure you're ready, you know.
What?
Write your name first, yeah? Situation got serious. Situation is serious. The situation is serious.
Them boys are too close. Situation is serious.
The situation is serious. The situation is serious. Yo, cock it back and prepare to bust. Fire go burn, listen and learn. Where's the next E2 money I for earn? Real rasta in my firm and the way with your turn just to make the little body white
Over the earth.
situation turn serious. Believe it out, them boys are
Too near to us.
Make sure you cock it back and prepare to bust. These words are self-direct, I hope they
Hearing us.
Honoreal, the delete, this
Genuine shit.
I got me having mad force
Up
up
and in this
and you can't pretend
Doing
with
these spit. Mad.
We're trying to complete something tonight. We need it in the booth.
Alright, Adam.
But we're trying to make it possible that we can complete something.
Divo is a producer, so he's trying to do so much. Come say these words of wisdom to the lyricists. Come
No. He knows me
We got
already.
pseudo
I just
pseudo
want him in
wars
the
now.
booth.
We got pseudo wars now. Like they want the tune finished now. They don't want it. They don't want to hit going around no more. No more freestyling. Yeah.
Too much free
Every
stuff.
man just come in.
AMP.
Man's giving them bare bars this time.
AMP Studios. Yeah. Right now it's busy tonight, fam. It's busy. Yeah. Alright, so this is how far them lot got on their track. Big up JB. Yeah. 4 and 6. Yeah. Yeah, everybody's not done. Saying nothing.
Better better must come fast, better must do. And then we come back and I call up with second my soul. And the campus to the honest truth like the gospel. And the land for the lion, sorry if I lost you. Yo, vibration, meditation, lustful. I cannot call your brother, I can't even trust you. Too power hungry, got money and rules. And I gather and I feed you like a warm mongrel. Everybody sitting village in the jungle. After this somebody more than a dirty bongo. Tired of the branding and the drugs bundle. Tired of renting off the local council. After own my ownership and serve it on the dark food. Living like a king inside a great castle. When I judge my land, I know it never partial. But I must come and gonna have to ask you, yo.
Is it about the cruise ship? Oh, no, that shit. I didn't even mention
So what I want everybody out there, how are you lot out there? How are you lot out there?
You wouldn't need the foresight eye. That's all reflection of mine. You better watch it this time. I wanna look back at 4 times. And then we will follow this, we will follow ourselves. We will forward, we will forward, and we will follow ourselves, so when you're doing the lyrics, have that in mind. And everything I will
see how they make
we have to be kind of versatile and have to start in time. Ain't got to feel it, Jimmy.
What a man.
Yeah, the young youth chase is heavy still, he's heavy still. Well, all of them are different artists, all the artists are hard
Got to feel it, Jimmy.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play a couple tracks.
And I'm with you to riches.
What are you lot all saying out there? Everybody good?
How do we look on the poor once again?
Alright. What should we play? Alright.
So that was that time. And it only made you be stronger.
So I gotta give thanks for what I know. Even though I might be wrong, I prefer to walk alone than to walk with foes.
This track's called Lonely Souls.
The more I know, this life it would take its toll. Even though the road is long, it's done,
the work's done, when my work's done.
Better put my feet up, chill and let the herb bun. There's some good and bad days, but what's the worst one? Have the pains off when your money isn't worth none. I don't know, still running from the old bill. Had a pole pill and then we flattened it like roadkill. But you know still, man, I can really make it on the map. Most man I like phones, even bugged on the tap. They love the vision and the plan. Like, I'ma save myself, then I'ma save you if I can. Not trade a day a road, where if I see the battle plan. Them my scheme and them my scam, but the real is for expand. See me? I'm just another lonely soul. I gotta give thanks for what I know. Even though I might be wrong, I prefer to walk alone.
If there's a verse free on this, I'm thinking.
The more I grow, this life it would
You know, like, if you got verse free.
even though the road is long, when my work is done, Jah will pull me home. Like wow, it's been a minute, long time in it. Hold tight, let's build it. Like bro, it's a madness in it. Can't believe I've seen it. Don't repeat it, oh no. The way the world is right now.
world is getting tight now. Currently the economy is totally getting wiped out. Who you gonna fight now? Losing all your rights out. Can't you see what I'm free? It's like they took your eyes out. Blue one side of chain on violence, so they got a pipe now. No one watching it, this cards has got their people locked down. Gotta take a jab before you're getting on your flight now. DNA, RNA, something's getting wiped out. So, thanks for what I know. Even though the road is long, I prefer to walk with folks. The more I grow, this life is even though the road is long, when the work is done, Joe will call me home. When my work's done, yeah. Alright, that one was Lonely Souls, rude boy. I like that one there.
Yeah, man, a big tune that man.
Yeah, you like that one there? You like that one there?
I love the text.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Alright then, let's see what else you can draw out of this bag. Let's see what else you can draw out of this bag quickly. Alright, I'm gonna play this track here. This track, I never play this track. I'm gonna play this track. I never play this track.
Ooh. I don't know what's going on.
This one's called Holla. Yeah?
Oh, yeah. What is the situation?
Yo.
Collectively, Japan.
Holla. Hey. Let me know. Holla. Where we gonna show? Holla. Let me go. Come we blow. Holla, let me roll. Holla, where we got to show. Holla, let me roll, let me go. Come and blow. I roll, you follow. Red beams, shells stay hollow. We gel, if they swallow. Push back on my tullo. Big black beat, track beat that as I relax, need snacks. Could you breathe that? Let me stop talking all of that gas. Holla, let me roll. Holla, let me go to show. Holla, let me roll, let me go. Come and blow. This is called high music. Let me roll. Holla, let me go to show. Holla, let me roll, let me go. Come and blow. Dance bubbling, tilt doubling. Crowd is tumbling, just get the money in. Sin is alcohol, see a small man grow. 0 to 100, lose control. Chicks are sexy, doorman text me. People at the door, and it's me they want to see. Cause the lights to see, they want a little squeeze. VIP, begging you please, don't let them freeze. Holla, let me know. Alright, holla. Down with the back. Down with the back.
Since I saw Mr. Babylon feel like you get to it. Nah. Not on my watch. Who did it? The system of us locked with mind control. Run with the mucking around. Innocent soul. The man what sins and knows. Run with the mucking around. And the radars. Chains off for your brains. Unlock the cups and run with the mucking around. Because people the diamond and everybody's life goes something so run with the mucking around. As victims we're living in the spell of a wizard. With the eyes of a snake and the skin of a lizard. Got control of the weather. So they send him out of blizzard. We've seen the full picture. The memories of vivid. Science, politician, military wicked. Prophecy, written for philosophy, predicted. Follow shit and stick to the script. Time is getting serious, so be careful how you spit. We never meant to spit be like for one big wicked. Pilot again to get a tidy on your chicken. Major needs for money like who's our gifted. Who can the boss and the all the assistant. Pop the tail, pull the string, surely got it twisted. I need to elevate higher heights and now uplifted. Who would have been self-fools with the head of a bunch of shit to these devious doors? They got me laid with a suitcases. I was up with mind control. Down with the mucking around. And innocent soul. The man walks sins and knows. Down with the mucking around. Time to break those chains. up for your brains, unlock the cops and done with them mucking around. We can't be gonna die for nothing, but these lives go something, so done with them mucking around. Question one, why on earth is everyone living a live? Two says we can or we can't be rich. Three, why this life and call it a bitch? Man, I'ma save a gold clip script from all these bricks. Four, we read the word for King James said it. Five, we rented the bank much less than it. Six, I'm mashing out long till I'm in credit. I wanted to pay the bearer on demand, tell me who said it. Seven, we temptation, are we vulnerable? Eight, the house partly grown is vulnerable. Nine, why the world for those are colourful. Lightning, earthquake, I live on the send them a condemnable. 10, have this all been blank, fucking rubber, single currency to chip in the hand. Cause the phone be trying to get out, man, have the doors down. The month of minutes slavery, do I understand? System, I suck with my control. Done with the mucking around. Time to break some soul, the man, what sins and knows. Done with the mucking around. Time to break the hole. Change up for your brain, unlock the cuffs and done with the mucking around. Life goes something, so done with the mucking around. Nothing hard as you, I've always been a cricket. Stack of a don't flip it before I got naked. Paying the latest and all the bills before I got evicted. They used to brand me cattle-minded, but now I'm privileged. The system praise my ways, be destructive. But no, I come to redeem those corrupted. 100% profit out of my life has been structured. You, man, don't just accept what you were stuck with. No, work I for you and who is to be trusted. Ignorance and scum will catch you up busted. What happened to scum? The dusting. Had to find a way to let you them know. It needs you to keep them willy lynching. How knows the truth? What on earth were you thinking? Such shares rise while you're sitting in the things, man. Rule no. It's a big thing. System of us up with my control. Done with the mucking around. All the man what sins and knows. Done with the mucking around. Dreams for your brains, I'm not the cops. And done with the mucking around. People that die for nothing but trust. Lies or something. Done with the mucking around. System of us up with my control. Done with the mucking around. Hey, so Shelly, that one is you.
Where's the next man now? Where's the next man now? Where's the next man now? Where's the next man? Where's the next man now? Yeah? Yeah? Ready, you lot?
Here when we come around, here when we come around.
I chase noise, come around, get me. I even go get down Spotify, Apple Music, everything, you get me? I'm back, garage, I got more flows. They rap, tell them to just stop, bro. In fact, tell them that it's a shutdown. We the hottest is coming up out the underground. I was made for this, so I'ma take it. Friends hate on me and it made me think. Probably hate cause we onto major things. Looks like we headed for a major hit. My sound is too lyrical. Man, skirt back around and get physical. Yeah, they wanna know me now and that's typical. Man, just work with powers, get spiritual. Literally on them, get silly on them. My flow new, that's like 10 out of 10. Flow like the Thames and my bro's got a leg. And my bro got grabbed cause he grabbed that scout.
Yeah, when we come around,
Yeah, when we come around. Woo! Come around,
yeah,
Chase.
when we come around, we don't make any sense, you know we shut it down, Yeah, when we come around,
Yeah, when we come around.
yeah, when we come around, yeah, when we come around, yeah, when we come around, yeah, when
Yeah, I blow that smoke in the air, too loud for the neighbours here, they used there. Two legends on the beat, that's rare. Every beat I tear till the rapper beware. And I love it when the crowd just care. I'm chasing my dreams, they ain't got no fear. Feeling like my time will be there. Trying to make a career, I'm making this clear. Soundway, I just rock with a style and flavour. We're too ill for them, we're too major. Like tell an MC it's danger. On the other hand, this one's for a raver. Like they don't like my behaviour. All this dirt I done for this paper. No man can't judge me, no way, dog. Only one and that's the creator.
yeah, when we come around,
Let me draw out the next man now. Let me draw out the next man now. I'll draw out the next man.
Up there, man.
Family, where you there? Where you there, family?
We just come to take you to break Family from now, them say them irate. All of the family from south say them irate. From the east to the west, family them irate. Them say them irate. They say them irate. So maybe tell them keep it up the ocean, me. Sometimes tell them don't give them the apology. Talking with the irate, we think it irate. No matter what them say, keep it up enough. Yeah. Family come listen to the stamina. We need to take some way to the ula. Anything I say them come them and I don't remember them.
Hard lyrics to us.
Step by step forward when we fight every day.
Awesome, no need for no need for slap. When we come together, we have the strength and the power. Ta 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 da da ta da ta da, and it can easy like that. Ta ta da ta da da ta da. When we listen to start. Ta ta da ta da ta da. When we stick together. How you mean? Ta 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 da. What we need is love and no peace when c'est la joie. C'est des girls and boys. C'est Timina. Feed them. C'est pas you want to live la voix. Not no choice. No panique choix. We want them to live good in the future where you bien. Wait for your place and bien demain. So we must be proactive. Cause actions still louder. Fuck no with the family from down, see them hiring. And the family from south, see them hiring. From the east to the west, family them hiring. Them see them hiring. The whole of them hiring. Some young people tell them keep it up, see your journey. Some young people tell them don't give up in your apology. Fuck you with the hiring. We can keep it hiring. No matter what them say, you can take your body. You should never give up the faith. Fuck you for your little black. Faith can open the gate. You should never give up the fight. It is within that you will find the might. Say until you don't face that can be forced. Can never give you more than what you can bear.